Happy New Year, everybody. Today I'm gonna go get some fish. I need some fingerlings, and they have to be freshwater fingerlings. So I'm gonna go get some tilapia. I've been told of a pond somewhere here in Guam, so I'm gonna go check it out. Let's go get fish. There is no swimming. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, there is fish here. I don't know what kind of fish it is though. It's so small. Look at that. The tilapia. Wow. This is amazing. Look at this. It's a nice place. Just come and chill. Wow. Maybe this is the one they're talking about. What a great place. There's all kinds of fish in here. Apparently. I wonder what that is. This murky looking water, this is good for tilapia. They love water like this. Wow. Look. There's so much fish here. There's so much fish. I can just look in the water and I will see something. So I don't see any restrictions. I haven't seen any information. It just says no swimming and no open fires. So all I want is just catch some fish, right? So I've seen some fingerlings. So I got my net right here. I got my 2 buckets, one for catching the fish, the other one is just so I can get some more water to get the fish started. I got some snacks for this fish. I got this. Alright, so this is my 2 buckets and that. goodness, them big ones showed up. There he is. I got him. Big ones on the bottom. There's two big ones. Alright.